Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about Oriflame products which were sent to me by Vasudha ma'am. I'll be putting the link of our Instagram profile in the description in case you wanna check it out. So I have the products right here. I'll show you the products which I got. It has 4 items and a catalog. Let me show you the catalog. And this catalog has a handwritten message over here which says, "Dear Ekta, hope you love the products." Although I like all the Oriflame products, but this one is my favorite. This is the Peach Perfector. It's a moisturizer which provides you a peachy glow from within. So if you are a college going girl or an office going girl, you need to apply makeup on daily basis, which can clog your pores, cause pimples, harm your skin in a lot of ways. So instead you can switch to this product which will keep your skin good and it will provide you a very good glow from within, so you won't feel the need to apply makeup. A lot of people confuse this Peach Perfector with BB creams, but BB creams contain foundation and the Peach Perfector doesn't contain any foundation, so please don't confuse it with BB creams. I would use the Peach Perfector on the days when I don't feel like wearing makeup. I would just take the product on my hand like this, very little amount, and I will use the good old dot method. I'll just take the product and put small dots on my face like this. Nose, forehead, cheeks, chin, everywhere I'll put the dots. And I'll just use my fingers to blend the product on my face like we would normally wear a moisturizer. And do you see the difference in my skin? Because I see a glow on my face after I apply this product. Immediately I see a glow on my face. And the fragrance is so good. I really like its fragrance. It has a very peachy fragrance. You just apply it on your bare face and then you're ready to go. And the product we have right here is the One Kohl Eye Pencil. It's basically a kajal, and as you know, we Indians, we love wearing kajal a lot. So this is a very good product for all the girls and ladies out there. It's very tinted and it glides on very smoothly. Let me just show you the application. We just put it like this. Just a little touch and it just applies on very smoothly. It's so dark. With a very light touch, it gives a dark black color. So this is how it looks. I really like how tinted it is. I can use it as eyeliner as well because I use most of my kajals as eyeliners as well. Like, why to spend more money on more products when you can just use it in different ways? The product which I have in my hand is a lipstick. It is the One Color Stylist Ultimate Lipstick. This is the outer packaging, and let me show you the product from inside. It has a black packaging. It has a very beautiful packaging, and let me show you the product. It's a pink color lipstick. It's looking a little dark on the camera, but it's a very nice light pink lipstick which is perfect for girls like us. Let me just show you the application. I will need a mirror for that. It glides on so smoothly and its texture is very good. It's very creamy, it's very soft on the lips, and it just gives a very good stay. Like you apply it in the morning and it stays like that till the evening. Like you drink coffee a few times, you eat proper meals, and it won't like immediately fade. It will take a long time to fade away. The product which I have in my hand is another useful product by Oriflame. It's a mascara. Look at the packaging, how beautiful the packaging is. It's the One Tremendous Big Volume Mascara. It's a waterproof mascara, and let me just show you the application. Look at the wand, how beautiful this wand is. Let me just show you. It's a perfect wand for application. Let me show you the application. I'm gonna need a mirror for that. I'm gonna just apply it like this. Sorry if I'm making faces while applying it. It does make your lashes look voluminous. It makes your lashes look big. Like, look at my lashes. Can you see the difference between both of my lashes? Because I can see the difference. Like, this one looks small and this one looks big. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye as well. Let me just remove the extra. And yeah, this is how my eyes look after applying this mascara. I mean, look at that. They look big and really bright. It instantly lifts up your face. It makes your eyes look so big. I really like this product. I like all these products. I really liked each one of them, and especially the Peach Perfector. It's my favorite, and I would recommend you people to try this product once. This is just so good. You should give it a try, and these ones are also good. If you want to try, these are good. You should try them. Thank you.